Hello guys, welcome to Current Affairs Preparation. Today we will discuss top 25 Current Affairs MCQ of the April 4th week Current Affairs. Let's begin the session. First one is CARE Ratings has forecasted India's GDP growth at -% for the financial year 2022 and the answer is B 10.2% and CARE Ratings headquartered in Mumbai. Next question is Kishore Nandalaskar has passed away recently. He was a dash. He was an actor. He was a Marathi and Hindi film actor. And next one is Tamil Nadu's dash become India's 68th chess grandmaster. And the answer is B. Arjun Kalyan. Next one is India has been elected by acclamation to 3 bodies of the United Nations Economic and Social Council. Where is the headquarters of UN Economic and Social Council? And the answer is C. New York, USA. And those 3 bodies are Commission on Crime Prevention and Criminal Justice, headquartered in Vienna, Austria. Second one is Executive Board of the UN Entity for Gender Equality and the Empowerment of Women, headquartered in New York, USA. And third one is Executive Board of the World Food Program, headquartered in Rome, Italy. And next question is which of the following country has announced a grant of 81.2 million rupees under the Indo-Pacific Ocean Initiative? And the answer is E. Australia. Australia capital is Canberra, currency is dollar. Japan capital is Tokyo, currency is yen. New Zealand, Wellington dollar. USA, Washington DC dollar. France, Paris euro. And next question is International Girls in ICT Day 2021 is observed on A. 22nd April. ICT means Information and Communication Technology. And we also observed World Earth Day on 22nd April. And 23rd April is World Book and Copyright Day and also UN English Language Day. 24th April is World Veterinary Day. 25th April World Malaria Day. 26th April World Intellectual Property Day. And next question is what is the theme of International Mother Earth Day 2021? Mother Earth Day is celebrated on April 22nd and the answer is Restore Our Earth. Next question is Earth Day or International Mother Earth Day is observed on. We already discussed about this question and the answer is 22nd April. And 21st April is World Creativity and Innovation Day and also World Civil Services Day. April 20 is UN Chinese Language Day. 19th April is World Liver Day. 23rd April is World Book and Copyright Day and also UN English Language Day. 22nd April is World Earth Day and also International Girls in ICT Day. Next one is Senka Ghosh has passed away recently. He was a dash and the answer is D. Poet. He was a Bengali poet. Next one is who among the following has been roped in as brand ambassador of Puma? And the answer is E. Both A and B, Washington Sundar and Devdutt Padikkal. These two are Indian cricketers. And the next one is what is the rank of India in the World Press Freedom Index 2021? And World Press Freedom Index is released by Reporters Without Borders. And in this index, first country is Norway and India's rank is B 142 and bottommost country is Eritrea. It ranked 180. Next one is which day in India is observed as Civil Services Day? Civil Services Day and the answer is D 21st April. On 21st April we also observed World Creativity and Innovation Day. And next one is often referred to as father of Indian banking reforms. Name the former governor of RBI who has passed away recently. And the answer is Maidavolu Narasimham. And the next one is when is the World Creativity and Innovation Day celebrated globally? And the answer is A 21st April. And next one is the World Press Freedom Index published annually by which organization? And answer is D. Reporters Without Borders. Next one is Government of India has launched the first ever online exhibition on Ramayana titled Ramakatha, the story of Rama through Indian miniatures. The exhibition showcases how many miniatures paintings collections of the great epic, and the answer is C 49. And next question is, Miguel Mario Diaz Canal has been appointed as the first secretary of the Communist Party of which country? That means he elected as president of which country? And the answer is Cuba. Cuba capital is Havana, currency is peso, and Haiti capital is Port-au-Prince, currency is Garde, Puerto Rico, San Juan, and currency is dollar, Mexico, Mexican city, currency peso, West Indies, Che Guaramas, and currency is British West Indies dollar. And next question is, Walter Mondlane has passed away recently. He was the former vice president of which country? And the answer is C, US. And next question is, India has signed a technical cooperation agreement with which country titled Cities Combating Plastic Entering the Marine Environment? And the answer is D, Germany. German capital is Berlin, currency euro. New Zealand capital Wellington, currency dollar. France, Paris euro. Scotland, Edinburgh, currency is pound sterling. Australia, Canberra dollar. And next one is, which country has topped the World Press Freedom Index 2021? And the answer is A, Norway. Next one is, which state has released the first tranche of 672 crores rupees under the Jagananna Vidya Divena scheme? And the answer is E, Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh CM is Jagan Mohan Reddy, Governor Bishwabhushan Harichandan. Next question is, NASA's experimental helicopter Ingenuity is the first powered controlled flight of an aircraft on C, Mars. And next question is, which of the following is the first party that has declared the name of the entity which made donations to it through electoral bonds? And the answer is E, Jharkhand. Jharkhand Mukti Morcha. And next one is, Water Sports and Adventure Institute of the Indo-Tibetan Border Police established at B, Tehri Dam. Tehri Dam in Uttarakhand, and this institute is inaugurated by Uttarakhand CM Tirath Singh Rawat and Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju, and Indo-Tibetan Border Police headquarters in New Delhi. Next question is, who among the following became the first Indian woman to scale Mount Annapurna in Nepal? And the answer is D, Priyanka Mohite. And here we come to an end, guys. If you like this session, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, guys.